Hi, you can check types in your HTML. Here I've made a mistake. I have a title with the number of 2, and I'm passing this number to my Rx table. But the problem is the title is of type of string. But TypeScript doesn't help me here because it compiles successfully. To make it check in your HTML, navigate in your tsconfig file, and here you will need two options. First, that the strict mode is on true, and the second is you will need this strict templates also to set to true. And in some project you will need to add this full template type check. And now, when I'm trying to compile this project, I will get an error that I'm trying to pass a number to the string. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.